Balay P. Saham. Why are you yawning? Namar dan ba kenmau yanga. Because someone remembered me. Mano ita mo. Who is that? Who is that? I samla jong nga. My girlfriend. Nado menu pidan samla. Since when do you have a girlfriend? Nado min sham tayo. Since last week. Ide na a. Where is she from? Where is she from? Ide na Bangladesh. She is from Bangladesh. Lano pin yatho. When are you getting married? Shh. Ngan yatho yaka menta ubnai. I'll marry her this month. Balay kloy kata. Why so early? Why so early? Namar ngan hab no sha Germany. Because I have to go to Germany